0.1. Now let's move for next examples. The next example says on this Bezier curve, suppose example, write the parametric equation of the Bezier curve with control points B0 are -1, -1, B1 are 2, 3 and B2 are what? 4, 0. Find the position vectors of the points on the curve corresponding to parameter value 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Solution. 3 control points are given here. So let's find out parametric equation of Bezier curve for n equal to 2 with us. So let us put these points, values of these control points there. Now you know for n equal to 2, the parametric equation of Bezier curve is P of t equal to this B0 1 minus t square plus B1 into 2 into t into 1 minus t plus B2 into what? T square. Now let's put the control points here. It is what? -1 -1 into 1 minus t square plus 2t into 1 minus t into what? 2, 3, right? Plus t square into what? 4, 0. We have been substituted the control points B0, B1 and B2 there. Fine. Now if we put t equal to 0.1 here, then what we get? We will get P of 0.1. That is nothing but 1 minus 0.1 square into -1 -1, right? Plus 2 into 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 into 2, 3, okay, plus 0.1 square into what? 4, 0. This one. So simplifying this whole one, here these are scalar parts. Simplifying it, multiply with this, again simplify this, multiply with this, simplify it, multiply with this, and add the first coordinate and then second coordinate. It will be nothing but x coordinate and y coordinate. These are what points on Bezier curve we are getting. So here by simplifying it, we get minus 0.41 minus 0.27 as such when P of what? 0.1 is that. Now when we put t is equal to 0.2, we get P of 0.2, and that is nothing but that point is 0.16, 0.32. You can verify on your own for this, okay. Again put t is equal to 0.3, that gives p of 0.3, and that is nothing but 0.71 and 0.77. You can do that calculation. Now it's a very basic part, I keep it for you. Okay, just I am telling how does we can obtain this. The position vectors we have to determine, and that will be obtained as such. Simply write the parametric equation of the Bezier curve for that value of n, which is according to the number of control points given to us. Okay, and then find out simply points on it. Okay, next example. Next is that find the parametric equation of Bezier curve for the control points B0, 2, 1, B1, 4, 4, B2, 5, 3 and B3, 5, 1. Compute the position vectors of the points on the curve for the parametric values t equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, solution. Now 4 control points are given. So for n equal to 3, we have, for n equal to 3, the parametric equation of Bezier curve is will be P of t is what? 1 minus t cube B0 plus 3t into 1 minus t square into B1 plus 3t square into 1 minus t into what? B2 plus t cube B3. Put the values B1, B2, B3 here. Okay, so 1 minus t cube B0 is what? 2, 1 plus 3t 1 minus t square into 4, 4 plus 3t square into 1 minus t into what? 5, 3 plus t cube into 5, 1. This is what? A parametric equation for the given Bezier curve. Control points with given Bezier curve. This one is the required one, right? Okay. Now we can simplify this one also, but it will be more complicated than by substituting simply here the values of t. Okay. So here put t equal to 0.1. Now I'll write it directly. You can do that one. Here that simplification is more simple rather than if we take it within a bracket. Okay. So P of 0.1 we get, that will be 2.57 and 2.51. Again t is equal to 0.2 will gives P of 0.2, that is 3.08 and 2.344. Then t equal to 0.3 will give P of 0.3, that is 3.53 and 2.701. This one. Now next example. Find the parametric equation of the Bezier curve determined by the control points. Determined by the control points. B0 is 4, 3. B1 is what? 0, 1. And B2 is 2, minus 1. Also find the first and second derivative, of the curve at t is equal to 0.3. So solution: for n equal to 2, because 3 control points are given to us, so for n equal to 2, b0, b1, b2, b2 also represent the value of n. P of t is what? 1 minus t square b0 plus 2t into 1 minus t into b1 plus t square b2. So we get P of t is equal to 1 minus t square into 4, 3 plus 2t into 1 minus t into 0, 1 plus t square into what? 2 minus 1. This is our required parametric equation for given control points. Now we have to determine first and second derivative of it. So let me find first derivative, that is p dash of t. What is p dash of t? 2 into 1 minus t into minus 1, 4, 3, right? Plus here it will be 2 as it is, t into minus 1 plus 1 minus t, okay, into what? 0, 1 plus 2t into 2 minus 1. Fine. Now simplifying, we get minus 2 1 minus t into 4, 3, okay, plus 2 into, simplifying it, 1 minus 2t 0, 1 plus 2t into 2 minus 1. Now this value we have to determine at t is equal to what? 0.3. So put t equal to 0.3. Here we get p dash of 0.3, and p dash of 0.3 we get the point minus 4.4 minus 4. Here we have to put t is equal to 0.3. Simplify it, you will get this point. Sorry, put here t is equal to 0.3, you will get this point. Okay, fine. Now next derivative, second derivative we have to determine. So let me differentiate this part again so that I'll get a second derivative. Therefore p double dash of t is what? This minus 2 as it is, the derivative of 1 minus t will be minus 1 into 4, 3 plus this 2 as it is, derivative is minus 2 here of that bracket, 0 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1. Okay, now this is nothing but 2 into 4 3, right, minus 4 into 0 1 plus 2 into what, 2 minus 1. So simplifying it, what we get, for any value, now it is independent of t, so for any value of t, if we put t is equal to 0.3, what we get, it will be same everywhere, and that is nothing but 12 0. Here we get p dash of 0.3, p double dash of 0.3 will be this point and p dash will be this point. Okay, as such we can solve this. Now next example is says that write the quadratic Bezier curve in matrix form if the three defining control points B0, B1, B2 are given. We have to write that in terms of a matrix. So now solution for this, the parametric equation of for quadratic Bezier curve for n equal to 2 is, quadratic Bezier curve for n equal to 2 is p of t equal to 1 minus t square b0 plus 2t into 1 minus t b1 plus t square b2, that is 1 minus 2t plus t square into b0 plus 2t minus 2t square into b1 plus t square into b2. Okay, simplification can be written as such, and therefore this can be written as, here if I write t square t1 is one vector, then what are the coefficients of t square is here 1, coefficient of t is minus 2 and constant is how much, 1. Now here it is minus 2 2 0 1 0 0, okay, into this is b0 b1 b2. This is the matrix form for this p of t, parametric equation of quadratic Bezier curve. Now similar question let us write for cubic Bezier curve. Example, write the cubic Bezier curve in matrix form if the four defining control points B0, B1, B2, B3 are given. So again solution, the parametric equation for cubic Bezier curve is Bezier curve for n equal to 3 is P of t is what? 1 minus t cube b naught plus 3t into 1 minus t square b1 plus 3t square into 1 minus t b2 plus t cube b3. So it will be 1 minus 3t plus 3t square minus t cube into b naught plus 3t minus 6t square plus 3t cube into b1 plus 3t square minus 3t cube into b2 plus t cube b3. Okay, so it can be written as t cube t square t1, right? Here t cube having coefficient minus 1, 3 t square having coefficient 3, minus 3, 1. T cube having coefficient 3, this is minus 6, 3 and 0. What about this? Minus 3, 3, 0, 0. This is 1, 0, 0, 0 into this one. Sorry for mistake. T cube t square t1 already I have written correctly, but you are unable to see it. Here t cube having coefficient minus 1, t square having coefficient 3, t having coefficient minus 3 and this is 1, constant one. Here 3, minus 6, 3, 0. A constant term is absent. Minus 3, 3, other two terms absent. T cube is simply 1, 0, 0, 0 and simply b0, b1, b2 and b3. This is a matrix representation for P of t when there are n equal to what? 3. Now this is all about the examples. Now lastly, simply let me take, obviously each and everything should have some limitations. So there are some limitations of Bezier curve. Simply we will discuss them and then we will stop for this video. Okay, so limitations of Bezier curve. Limitations of Bezier curve. So first it says that Bezier curve has limited flexibility. Now you know it follows the shape of characteristic polygon, so according to that it will be flexible, right? So it has a limited flexibility. Second says number of control points decide the degree of Bezier polynomial. Which defines the curve. So it says to increase degree of polynomial we have to increase control points. control points. That is what n. Okay. Now next limitation, if n changes, we have to calculate all basis functions. They are not fixed. While n changes, they also changes. All basis functions. Okay. Next and the last one, if n increases, the curve oscillates. If n increases, the curve oscillates, which is good for curve fitting. Okay, this is all about the Bezier curve, and here our syllabus of, with this point, a syllabus of computational geometry is finished. This is the last video for this. Thank you.